In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage lists in HubSpot. If you're looking to improve your marketing efforts with targeted campaigns, crafting lists of your contacts is an essential skill to master. Let's dive right in and walk through the entire process together. First, you'll want to log into your HubSpot account. Once you're there, the next step is to navigate to the Contacts menu. This is where you'll find a variety of options related to your contact management. Look for the Lists option under this menu and go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to organizing and segmenting your contacts effectively. Now on this page, you'll see a button that says Create List. Click on this and you'll be prompted to choose between creating an active or static list. Let me briefly explain the difference. An active list automatically updates itself based on the criteria you set, making it perfect for when you want your list to change dynamically as contact properties change. On the other hand, a static list is fixed at the point of creation. Choose this if you plan on conducting a one-time communication or analysis with a set group of contacts that won't need adjustments as data changes. Decide which option works best for your needs and select it. Once you've chosen the type of list you want to create, it's time to use filters and criteria to define your list membership. This is where your targeted marketing strategy comes into play. You can filter contacts based on a range of attributes like demographics, behaviors, or interactions with your content. For instance, you might want to create a list of contacts who have engaged with your recent email campaigns or who belong to a specific geographic area. Be thorough and think carefully about the criteria that will best serve your marketing goals. After setting all your desired filters and criteria, it's important to save and name your list. A clear, descriptive name ensures you and your team can easily identify and use the list later in campaigns and workflows. For example, you might name your list something like Winter Sale Prospects or Newsletter Engagers. Naming schemes that reflect the purpose of the list will serve you well. Finally, remember that lists are not meant to be static tools, even if some are technically static. Consistently update or refine your lists as needed. Over time, your marketing initiatives might call for more specific segmentation as you gather more data and insights about your audience. Regular updates to your lists ensure that your marketing efforts remain relevant and effective. And that's it for our tutorial today. You've successfully learned how to create and manage lists within HubSpot. With these lists, you're now ready to launch more targeted and successful marketing campaigns. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful HubSpot tips.